So one of the biggest flaws to the interiors of E90 Series BMWs, the vent tabs. You know, one day you could be adjusting the airflow and all of a sudden nothing. Absolutely nothing. It just comes right off. And so one of the things you need to do to fix the originals, you need to disassemble all this crap, get this pin in there, glue it on here somehow, you can get your vent back. You know, over time these plastics just get weak and they snap. You see these two are supposed to be together. This blade is supposed to be in between, so that's one of the reasons why you need to take the whole thing apart and do it properly. There's an aftermarket solution where it's just one piece. It snaps right in and you don't have to worry about doing diddly squat, no disassembly or anything. You can just go on eBay and find them. And just make sure the fins in there are perfectly aligned. There we go. And voila. Perfect. It's a little tight, but I think over time it will loosen like a bottom. All right, let me do the second one. All right, you see how this goes? It's like a little claw in there, and it's supposed to attach to that center post right there. And snap in. There you go. And let's do this last one. I think I got it. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's it. Just takes seconds to replace these vent tabs. They cost about $9.99. You get them on eBay. Just search vent tabs for E90s and you'll know what to do from there. I mean, you could be brave to try, you know, replacing your originals, but, you know, you have to disassemble all this crap. You risk damaging all these paneling and clips and plastics and whatnot. I think it's worth putting in this aftermarket source. Works just like the originals, and you don't have to do any disassembly or any damage to your interiors if you don't feel comfortable doing that sort of thing.